Okay, welcome everyone. As we learn the Mishnah Yomis, finishing the 8th parak and starting the 9th parak. I'm telling you, we're moving along. Unbelievable. That's the beauty of learning every day. If you learn every day, you get to finish Masechta after Masechta after Masechta. We are sponsored by the Fisher family, Lilinish Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain. We're learning also Lilinishmas David ben Chaim for Fu Shalem for Yomis ben Chayesar for the schus of Avram ben Yom Benish ben Malk Yehudis by Yol Klugman and family for their Panos Exunta Nagas and Fu Shalem for Meir ben Chayesar. We're up to Mishna Tes in the 8th parak. Hamaskir bayis l'chavera. I rent a house to Shelley. He wants a house in the Hamptons. V'nafal, and it collapses. Well, chayiv l'haben loy bayis. I have to give him another house. Hoyakatan, when I give him the other house, it has to be like the one that I rented him. The Rav says it's talking about where he said to me, bayis like this house. So Hoyakatan, if it was a small house, lo yasenu gadol. I can't give him a big one. He's not interested in hiring a cleaning lady. Gadol, if it was a big one because he wants to have a lot of company, lo yasenu cotton, I can't give him a small one. Echad, if it had one room, lo yasenu shnaim, I can't give him two small rooms, he wants a big area. Shnaim, if it was two rooms, he wants privacy, lo yasenu echad, I can't give him one room. Lo yifchais me'achalonis, Shelley likes it to be very sunny, I can't give him less windows. Or v'lo yosef aleim, he doesn't want so many windows, he wants a little privacy. I could only change it if we're both in agreement to the change. Now, Shelley, when he's not in the Hamptons, he does work for me. He's a sharecropper or a tenant farmer. The difference between a sharecropper, a oris, and a chayker is the sharecropper does the work and gives me a percentage. A chayker, tenant farmer, pays a fixed amount, whatever the yield is. Like he promises to pay me 100 bushels for the year. So I'm a kabel sadam mechaver. If Shelley accepted to do work on my field for some kind of an arrangement, so, sometimes you harvest with a sickle, cutting the grain, leaving the stump in the ground. Other times you pull it out. Pulling it out clears the land. It's harder though. Yet other times, after harvesting, the worker plows the land in order to get rid of the weeds. So what Shelley has to do is he has to do according to the minig hamakom, as the Mishnah tells us. If Shelley makes an agreement to work the field, if the minig is to cut it with a sickle, yiksa, you cut it with a sickle. Lakar, if the minig is to pull it out completely, yakar. Lachroi shachrov, if the minig is to plow afterwards to get rid of the weeds, yakaroi. Shakolka minig hamadina. You got to follow the custom, Shelley. Now, kishem shecholkim b'tzvur, just like we divide the crop. Let's say if he's an oris, he has to give me, let's say, 33% of the crop. Kacholkim bateven, so we also divide the straw over cash and the stubble. The straw is used for animals. The stubble, which is near the ground, the stump near the ground, is used for fuel. And kishem shecholkim biyayin, just like we divide the wine, kacholkim is myris, we divide the vines of a kanim, also the reeds that are used to prop up the vines. Now, why do we split that? Because in buying the props, we both pay. I give 50% and he gives 50%. Ushneim esapkenes hakonim, we both provide the props, and therefore afterwards we re-divide them. Rabbi Say, what a pleasure, what a beautiful night of learning, and we want to remind you that we're back again tomorrow night at 8 o'clock, and have a wonderful evening.